Hey everyone, g'day, it's Adam from Just Engine Management. I've got something really excited to show you tonight, something we've all been waiting for. It's a bit of a surprise, so let's have a look. I don't know if you've guessed, but it's a Haltech product. And check it out. Guess what? Nexus R3. Hey, it's finally here. This is the baby brother to the Nexus R5. So let's do a quick unbox and see what's in the box. Alright, so we've got the package seal with the disclaimer there. Let's have a look. Yeah, so first thing you notice, it's a bit smaller than the R5. So that should be much easier to conceal. Smaller plugs here, one size down. It's still a 2-plug ECU, but it's 2x34, so 68 pin now, instead of the 34 and 26. So it was 60 pin on the Elite 2500 and 120 pin on the R5, and then it's 68 pin on the R3. So it's a twin 34 pin plugs, and look at that, they got an onboard map sensor as well. So that's a 4-bar map sensor, so 3-bar boost, 43 pound roughly, that'll go up to. Still got your Wi-Fi connection, your C-type USB connection. Still, it's got the 4 25 amp outputs, and obviously it's got a lot less than the R5, but it's still considerably more than the Elite 2500. And yeah, there's packed with a lot more features. There's more functionality. Apparently unused fuel or ignition pins can become inputs, so you can measure voltage on them. But yeah, very flexible. It's good to see that, you know, we've got a VCM that's smaller than the R5, so you'll be able to fit it, a bit more practical to fit into everyday cars, even more common cars. Yeah, so that's the ECU. Got your diagram. Beautiful. So that's the 34 pin C. So it's a C and it's a A plug. So 34 pin A and 34 pin C. And the reason for that, I believe, is because the second 34 pin plug on the R5 is the C plug. So they're both, it's A and C. On this, got the R3 quick start guide, which is really cool. We'll be reading that cover to cover. And then we've got our other little box here, Nexus R3 component kit. So let's have a look, see what's in here. So we've got our USB drive, got our keyring, our Wi-Fi antenna, got the 2 little connectors there. Yep, so they'll just crimp in there, put that back on. What else we got? Oh, mounting screws, so nuts and bolts for mounting. There's a little plug there for the C-type USB port. Got our cable. Got a different R3 sticker. So if you mount this in the car that way, sticker's upside down, and there's your solution there. Pretty cool. Another Haltech sticker there, and that's it. That's pretty much what's in the box. So additional to that is the LSU 4.9 hardware pack. So this sensor wires straight up to the ECU, no need for a wideband controller. Let's have a look at the diagram. There are provision for one wideband LSU 4.9, and the NTK sensor as well can be wired up directly. 4-pin DTP plug, the 25 amp outputs plug into that, and obviously your wiring loom. So I didn't get a wiring loom with this one here. I ended up, because I'm putting it in a C34 stager, which is basically an R34 GTT equivalent, but this one's all drive automatic, and we'll be making a plug-in adapter for standalone plug-in adapter for the Haltech R3 to plug straight into the stager. So there it is. look for something exciting that we're going to do with this thing real soon. But yeah, automatic transmission plug-in adapters is our primary focus with this one. Having more inputs and outputs, we can do that. Stay tuned, but there it is everyone, Nexus R3, can't wait.